Alright then, so this is an Allen key. You may have heard of one. If you're from the Americas, you were definitely both by one, I reckon. Anyway, this thing's very important to me because it means that I can open anything I want to open. Except girls' panties, it never works. I like, look, you try to pick a guitar like this, very high quality one, it just sounds like this. Doesn't work, does it? Now I've lost my Allen key. Hold on, 1 second, I've lost it completely. I'll have to pick it back up again, and I'll try and play the guitar with it. Your mother is adopted.
What's that in the background though?
What's this?
Yeah.
Well, it's my simulator.
Simulator for what?
What I'm going to do in the next 5 years of the job career.
Alright,
Well,
makes
mate,
sense.
That's going to be me in an hour. Promise, mate. Oh, she is me. Holy shit. Hello, me. What the fuck are you staring for? Thank you, love. Thank you. Thank you, love. Yeah, what was I saying anyway? Right, yeah, Allen key, yeah? Very important. You can do whatever you want with it.
You hurt my
But
head.
you can't show it up someone's ass. Oh, I got a DM. Oh, fuck.
Is it from your nan telling you that she wants to have a good suck tonight?
No, it's from your mum.
Oh shit.
She says you're adopted. Sorry, mate, didn't mean to hurt your feelings like that, but yeah.
Are you
Says
my
right
dad?
on his says right here on his piece of paper. Just give me a second, need to find it again.
Are you my dad?
No, not your dad.
Who's my dad then? Who's my real parents?
I don't know, mate. Just give me 1 second, will you? Alright, just give me 1 second.
Seduce me.
Here's a document saying you're adopted. It's right there.